Note that the system tree on the taskbar of Windows 7 desktop displays the current system, date and time. You can make changes in the settings of date and time. You can configure current date and time by using the control panel. To change date and time of your system, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the control panel and click the clock, language and region. Step 2. Click the date and time option. The date and time dialog box appears. Step 3. Click Change Date and Time button. The date and time settings dialog box appears. Step 4. Now change the date and time of your system. To make changes in the date, change the month, year and day. To make changes in the time, change the hour by clicking the arrow to increase or decrease the value. Similarly, change the minutes and seconds. Step 5. Click OK button on the date and time settings dialog box. Step 6. Click OK button on the date and time dialog box. Do you know, you can also click the clock on the taskbar and then click Change Date and Time Settings to open the date and time dialog box. MS Windows uses the date settings to identify when files are created and modified. Configuring the mouse. Do you know that you can make changes in the way you use the mouse? You can change the pointer's type, the pointer's movement speed, the double-click speed, and the pointer's trail. Pointer's type represents the shape of the mouse pointer. It changes with different activities. Pointer's movement speed is the speed by which the mouse pointer moves on the screen. Double-click speed means how quick you are pressing the mouse button twice. The more is the double-click speed, the faster you have to press the mouse button. Pointer trails are animated trails behind the mouse pointer, which makes it easier to see it on screen while it is in motion. To make changes in the mouse settings, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open Control Panel and click Hardware and Sound. Step 2. Click Mouse from Devices and Printers option. The Mouse Properties dialog box appears with various tabs in it. You can select any tab and change the property accordingly. Let's learn to change some of them. Changing the button configuration. If you are a right-handed person, do not select the Switch Primary and Secondary buttons checkbox. If you are a left-handed person, select the checkbox. Click Apply, then OK button. It interchanges the button functions. Now you are able to click, double-click and drag using right mouse button. Changing the double-click speed. To make the double-click speed slower, drag the slider to the left, that is, towards slow end. This enables you not to be a fast double-clicker and open your programs by large intervals in double-clicking. To make the double-click speed faster, drag the slider towards right, that is, towards the fast end, in order to decrease the time interval between the two clicks of double-clicking. Now click the Apply button and then click the OK button to apply the changes you have made. Changing the pointer's type. You can also change the type of the pointer's shape that appears at different actions while working in Windows 7. To change the shape of mouse pointer, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Pointers tab. You see a list of different types of pointers against the different types of Windows operations. Step 2. Select the pointer type you want to change from the Customize list. Step 3. Click the Browse button. A new window appears displaying the different types of available pointers. Step 4. Select the pointer shape of your choice. Step 5. Click the Open button. You see the new pointer shape replaces the original pointer shape in the Customize list. Step 6. Click the Apply button. The desired changes come into effect. Step 7. When all the changes are done, click the OK button. Practical in Computer Lab. Change the double-click speed of your mouse and also the pointer's shape for both normal select and working in background actions. Do you know you can click the Use Default button in Mouse Properties dialog box to change the replaced pointer to its default shape, removing uninstalling a software. You can remove uninstall a software saved on your computer by using the control panel. To remove uninstall a software, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the control panel and click the Programs. Step 2. Click Uninstall a program from the Programs and Features option. A list of software that are installed on your computer appears. Step 3. Select the software you want to remove. For example, TuxPaint 0.9.22. Step 4. Click Uninstall button. A dialog box appears asking for the confirmation of removing the software. Step 5. Click Yes button. Step 6. After the completion of the removing process, a dialog box appears displaying the confirmation message of the successful completion. Click OK button. Changing the appearance of a tablet. You can change the appearance of a tablet by using the System Settings option. To change the appearance of a tablet, follow the given steps. Step 1. Tap icon at the bottom of the screen. A list of options appears. Step 2. Tap System Settings option. A new screen appears. Step 3. Tap the Display option under Device section. The various display options appear on the right side of the screen. Step 4. Now select any of the following option. Tap Brightness to change the brightness of the screen. Tap Wallpaper to change the wallpaper. Tap Theme to change the color theme. Tap Timeout to set the time after which the tablet screen gets off. Tap Font Size to change the font size of the text. More fun in lab. Open Recycle Bin window and change the size of the window. Set the theme of your windows to Architecture. Change the shape of your mouse pointer for different operations. Open the Mouse Properties dialog box using Control Panel and try the commands in the Pointer Options tab. Key points. A window has many components. You can use different categories present in the control panel to perform different operations on your computer. Changing the appearance of the windows means to change the desktop background, font color, window color, and screensaver of your computer. Aero Peek feature turns all the open windows transparent so that you can see your desktop. The default view of the control panel is Category View.